Hey everyone, it's Edmonton from Redwater Dodge, the home of regularly Rams, regularly approved, and regularly used. Right here we got a 2025 Ram 1500 Warlock, guys. This one has the new and improved front end. The more we get these trucks, the more I love them. So inline 6 twin turbo, guys, the baddest engine we got. This thing, you can't even hear it run. It's almost like a Rolls Royce when they put the coin on the motor. Same thing. Got the nice Wrangler Duratrack tires, right from factory, guys. We got the full-size crew cab. Remember, guys, this is the largest class crew cab in the market. 8.4 touchscreen, parking sensors, climate control, power options all throughout. Nice 6-seater option on this one too. We got the bench seat in the rear, 60/40, all-weather floor mats for driver and passenger side and rear. Again, full largest class crew cab. Largest box we have to offer too, 5'7". Obviously, it's not the length, it's the size. So these boxes are more wide, and deeper than last previous models. New and improved rear bumper, guys. That's the full thing is a step. Nice parking sensors in the rear, heated mirrors, cruise control, adaptive cruise control, and we have an advanced brake system and cross path detection, which is all standard options for these trucks now, which is super good. Love having the safety features in these trucks, guys. So to make this thing yours, give us a shout, 780-942-3629.